Righty dighty do. Howdy everyone, hope you all are doing well. Just making quick changes here. Okay, awesome. Sweet. So hope you guys are doing well. As you saw the title of today's video, we are still related background. Okay, I'll do that, Anshul. I should do that. Yeah. How is the exams, bro? How is the exams going? You're doing well, and like, how's your health? Last time I remember you mentioned like health was not the best. How's the health now? But yeah, I'll do that, man. I'm just working on some more stuff. I had like so much work. I was so busy with everything. All good, nice, man, nice. Yeah, sorry, man. I've been so busy with work recently. Like my whole schedule has been effed up. I have so much stuff even on the weekend. It's crazy. Dude, I do. But the problem is like even for that, right? Like I have somebody who makes reels for me. Even for that, I have to like sit down, think of a topic, come up with a good reel. I have to retake a bunch of time. But it's just really like with these two, it's really hard. Makes sense. I think it's like hi panda. Yeah, somebody's shouting or what? But yeah, I think I'll use Chat GPT and see. Let's see. Like for starting scene, or like you want like for the background when I'm talking. I understand, panda. Sometimes I also like I'm not outside food. Sometimes just doesn't make sense. Even if I want food, I'll just get sambar from an Indian restaurant here and then just eat right with rice. That's I think like my favorite outside thing to eat. Or even home, rajma is really great. I like rajma. The food just doesn't have the lots of flavor as much as it's not even good. Starting okay, sounds good. Sure. The fool patti behind is actually like the flowers is actually like just automated. Windows keep changing it after some time. Nice, nice. I'm happy you like the cake, boss. Okay, going back to this. Perplexity Pro, sure. Yo, funny thing, I'll tell you. You know the phone, right? I recently got a new phone. I forgot its password. And I logged it almost for 1 hour. And thank God. No. I actually forgot. I remember what password was. So I was trying. I knew like it was like there is a couple of like top 3 things I know. It was one of them. So I have not logged in. I'm not sharing. Hey Wrench, is that you using pandas? Sharing is caring. Probably coming. Sharing is caring. Nah. Thank you. No. Okay. Nah. Thank you. But no. I'm not that caring of a guy. Holy. Okay. Minnie Mouse. I will do that, man. Okay. I have to ask my brother for the link again. Moe Ninja. What's up, Revenge? What's up? Actually, I have some photos of Anshul from one of the events we attended, and it's in one of the drives, Google Drives. I just have to share that. I don't know when. Yo, bro. Yeah, since 2023. I have to share it. I keep procrastinating the shit out of it. Yep, pretty much that's the plan, man. Everybody likes a handsome dude, right? On dark web. Most excited is Wrench about this. But your Wrench, I thought the thought I had, right, doesn't work on this one. Oh wait, I actually had one. Yeah, you can share your pics too, Panda. I'll sell them on dark web too. I don't mind. No, I think there is one. Like, I will tell you the logic of this problem, right? So, just to give you guys the idea, we are going back to IP to CIDR, which was like one of the worst problems to look at. And it's hard, not even like, if it might be easy for some, but hard for me. Yeah. I will start an app. I have an idea, lads. I might not be intelligent, but I have an idea, gentlemen. Listen to me. Only fans of dark web. Da-na-da-na-da-na. What PhD you got? But yo, do you think only fans of dark web? That might be something. There's Amazon of dark web, right? There is so many places on dark web. Yep, the IQ is 69 times 69. 69 raised to the power 69. Ah, nice. Nice. Yep. That's like, my PhD is different. It's same as T2 Mamas. Pretty huge D. I have a PhD too. Pretty huge D. Dhadkan, dil. Pretty huge dil. I got pretty huge dil. That's why I do it in the dark. I don't want people to see my chiknapan. I don't want people to see how white I am. Okay. But yo, okay, so Wrench, right, to give you. Yeah, make AI to do my twerk pics. I guess you guys can sell that. Yeah, do that too. Do it. Just send me some small cut, but do it. Yeah. Go for it. Go play catch and catch. Take my ijjat with me, from me. Go play catch and catch. That's all I can say. The respect I did have in the society. Take it, play catch and catch with it. Do it. Permission granted. Okay, but yo, I don't know why. So if anybody wants to know, he's saying molest me, basically. In a funny way. Yeah. Dude, I've been going to gym. I went to gym this twice. I'll show you something, lads. This is 21st century. Women should hold doors for me. Do you think, Panda, women are like less powerful? They can't hold their own doors? Come on, Panda. Expected more from you, man. Actually, I want to share something, lads. This is one of the things I shared, right? If you guys remember. I wanted to do 5,000 steps a day, like on average. So I'm at like 6,000 something on average for the whole month. Yeah, 6,728. No, I can. I do stuff, man. I do stuff. I do. For me, that was one of the things I wanted. Like for my physical health, I wanted like have enough steps. Yeah. I'm happy with. I had a goal of 5,000 because last year it was shit. So this year is I'm very happy. Like at least I'm on the track. I am okay with that. Is last year on average I was at like 4,000. Yeah, I'm going to hit like maybe like 7,000 would be a nice one. Yeah. 69. Oh, that's actually a good one. I averaged that. Yeah, I'm down for that. Wait, I'm more steps though this year. Dang it. Sorry, Range. I'm already more, man. Oh no, 6969. Wait, no. For January 6,800. So yeah, I'll do more. I'll do more. I got muscles. Something. Okay. Yes, happens. Okay. So let's going back, right? What we were talking about, instead of like roasting me, let's talk about this. Or if you want to roast me, I guess you guys can continue. I can't stop you. Anyways. But Wrench, this was my idea, man. I don't know. The muscles are on it's weekend, right? They're like gone to party, I guess. Okay, I'll show you. After this, I'll show you my brain muscles. Okay, let's see if this one works. So let me give you an example of what I thought for the solution. I think I understand what Ashish was trying to say yesterday. No, don't worry, I understand. Don't worry. Okay. But let's get back to what we actually came here for instead of talking about grippers and everything. Interestingly, I hardly ever turn on my camera during meetings. Okay, so this was my idea, right? To solve this problem, I see what is my current one. I get like a list. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, this, right? Now, I see if I have any multiple of 8 coming, 8, 16 and stuff, right? If it starts and the next one is 8, whatever, like 7, whatever it is, right? I start from that. It might be long. It might be long because I haven't figured out the logic yet. And if I figure out, like, I'm probably going to ask Wrench because he said he solved it. And then I have to do the today's one. This is still yesterday's problem. This is still yesterday's problem, boss. Yup. Amazing Friday night. So my idea was like I start till I hit 8, right? Or something like that. 8, 16, something. Where like the 1 is added to it. It's all good, Panda. It's all good. You get rest. It's important to rest, especially on the weekend. So I do till I reach this, right? So this one, how many there are? 1. So I will just have this IP plus 1. And whatever 8 till 16, if it is going, how many are included in it? Total 8, I guess. So 32 minus 2 to the power 3. That is 8. So 29. Right? And even for this case, right? Let's say if this one, I don't know the answer. Let's say this. Oh yes, let's do the challenge this weekend. How about that? Tomorrow, let's do the challenge. Okay? There is no snow right now, so I can't jump in the snow. But yeah, let's do the challenge, the Omegle one and stuff. Whatever you want me to. Yeah. So 62, right? Again 62. Let's add 8 of these. 62, 63, 64, 65. Nope, not doing that. 67, 68, 69, 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 8 of them. These two, as soon as I met somebody, some number that is actually of 8. Good. So I'll take these two. How many there are? 2. So just I will have 32 minus 1 is 2 to the power 2. 2 to the power 1 is 2. So this will be 31. Yeah. Let's see. You guys suggest, like I'll post right away after this stream. You guys let me know. Yeah. So if you want, like I can do like 100 push-ups. No, I'm not doing to. I can do like run or something, like something that will make it super hard. I'll be tired as hell. Yeah. Then you will do it. Yeah, however you like. But let's talk about this. 64. Now the next one is actually not. It's actually 128, right? We haven't reached till there. Do as many push-ups as subs. Okay. I can do that. That I can do. I can do that. A whole full day long stream and I will do those many push-ups. Yeah. Sure. That works. Yeah. Sounds good. Okay. We can plan that. I'm down for that. Well, okay, let's do that. So push-ups finalized. I'll do that. And I will post in the link too, in the group too. But yeah, just mention with my name in just chatting, so I remember, and I will do that. We'll plan that. But also, we are here, right? 64, 65, 67, 68, 69, 70. If it went to 128, that would be a different story. But it only went to 70. So what we need to do is divide this. This is 6. How 6 is divided? 6 is 4 plus 2. Right? So I can have 64 and 4. That would be 2 to the power 2. So 30. And then last two, 68. Should be 68, right? 64, 65, 66. Wait. Oh, I forgot 66. It should not be 70 here. So 66 and 67, right? The third and the fourth are same? Oh, yeah. Yep. I'll add this too. Thank you, Wrench. Thanks, man. Okay. So, no problem, man. Welcome to Canada. You started saying thank you and stuff too. So, welcome to Canada. Now, do you think this is the right way? This is the right way. We have, let's say if we do with this too. This was our case we created, right? If we ran this, third one, two five five, and total number were 20. So 55, 56, yada 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 till like 64. That would be like 10. And then from 64 to like whatever. So 20 can be divided into, let's say, highest. First it is like whatever is still 64. That is like 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63. So 9 of these. Nine cannot be done, right? If you are playing alone, you got a rank 60. Depends on who I'm going. How many? If there's a team one and you are going alone, that still is good, right? Depends on the team too, bro. Depends on the team. Depends on multiple factors. Like you have to give me an example of the CTF, the one you are talking about. If let's say there's a lot of people all around the world are going in it, right? Then it's a great rank, right? So there are 9 in here, right? Starting with odd, like we'll have 1. Yeah, then you are good then. If that's like, imagine, right? Like there are 7 billion people. Let's say, take a modest number. Around 10 million wants to be hacker. Then that's a good one. Yeah, then you are good, man. You are doing great. So 55. This is 8. And then 64 till like whatever is the next 20 left. So 20 could be in 16 plus 4. No, you should be happy. You should like learn to be happy, because you will never be happy. You will always end up in the forever unhappiness loop. I know what you are talking about. Trust me. I was there. So you should learn to be happy, but also not satisfied. There's difference between happy and satisfied, right? So learn to be happy and then be like, okay, I'm not sad. I'm happy that I achieved this, but I'm not. My hunger has not was satisfied. I want to go more. So 64. This will be like 32 minus 4, 28. Yo. And 30. Let's see. Dude, I think I might need your help, Wrench. Help me understand how to solve this. I don't think so this will be done the way I'm thinking. How to solve this problem, I'm actually clueless at this point. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Yeah, dude, I don't think I understand this. So, like, you guys need to help me. If you're happy and you know it, and if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you really wanna know, show it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. I don't know, man. Dude, like, I actually, like, now I need your help. So if this is the one, if this is the case, let's say this is the case. What the heck? Huh? Oh, maybe I have to do it this way. Okay, sounds good, Panda. Have a good night. Ashish, what's up, bro? Yeah, I think I think you guys have to just help me in this. I could not think of an answer. Awesome, sounds good. All good, man, all good. Don't worry. It will take time, right? It takes time, and especially it's weekend for you. Just relax. Don't worry. But yeah, lads, I think I will need your help if you have any submissions. Solution. Okay, let's see this solution. Guy said intuition, approach, nothing, complexity, nothing, just the code. Okay, trailing zeros. Right now it's night 10:12 on like 10:13 p.m. My zone is PST. If you want to know, you can type like Vancouver time zone. It will give you that. Yeah, I think this is not my type of problem. I don't think my brain can look at it right now. It's Friday night, boss. It's Friday night. So from India, I'm like 13 and a half hours behind. Right? So with your current time minus 13 and a half, that's my time. It will change in March and it will be 12 and a half. So right now I assume your time would be 11:44, 11:45, right? So in March, if it's 11:45 for you, it would be 10 in in the morning, if it's 11:45, it would be 11:15 for me in night. But right now it's 10:15. I want to sleep, and if I fall asleep, then I fall asleep, or you'll have the views. But thank you so much, boss. Thank you. Really appreciate that. Dude, this is crazy. IP. Okay. This question is not very easy for me, even though it's labeled as easy. The solution may be straightforward, just try values in order, but the implementation has multiple parts and a lot of places get stuck. There are a lot of ways to implement it, but these are the steps I used. Okay, sure. Have you done it? Okay. Let me know once you send it. The problem is asking to get IP addresses starting with the given start IP address that covers n IPs. Okay. Lads, this is the one I'm looking at. Dude, this code is hard. I don't know what else to tell you, man. Even for me, I don't think I'm going to code today, to be honest with you. I will read the solution. I will try to understand it. I will try to explain to you guys. And then I have already thought of a problem. Problem of the day, find smallest letter greater than the target. It's an easy one, they said, so let's see. So we will take all the IPs we can get at each IP addresses. This is either the maximum possible, 2 to the power number of trailing zeros, or okay. So we will take all the IPs we can get at each IP address. Maximum possible 2 to the trailing zeros, or if make us pick more than n, they won't pick over n. Okay. We get our next IP by adding the value of 2 to the power bits we took in the results for the current IP values. The reason it works is that we advance out of the amount of values we added to the results range. For example, we found 2 to the power 3 values in the iteration. We add 8 because that's the next IP address that don't. Okay. We get 0 trailing 0. Okay, so we are looking at trailing zeros. The range 32 minus 0. Got it. The next we go. The number trailing zeros are 3. Okay. So 3 times. So 32 minus 3. Yes. Okay. 16 we get. There are 4 trailing zeros, but we only have n equals 1, which is like the leftover. Can only take 2 to the power 0. Okay. Okay. Sure, boss. Is it in Python? Okay. Yeah, I think the way you are doing might work. This is like what they are saying too. Yo, this one didn't work. Hey, they also have the same thing. So I think you just need like the starting. You are almost there. Like you just need the starting one. But I think your the submission you had passed 101 out of 106. So you are there. I don't want to run it because it would be counted as mine. So I don't want to. Sure. So basically these are the edge cases. This is like the edge case one. But yeah, I think like the solution, this one makes so much sense. Approach if I and I plus. Dude, this is like you really need to know. Sure. Dude, you can make it better. I think I'm going to leave it here, honestly, because I think I posted the link. You guys can like enjoy reading about the answer. I'm not going to put my brain through it because I really don't have any left. I really need like my chai in the morning to understand what's going on. Like I understood bit, but let's go over this one. Our problem of the day, I guess. Easy one, 744, find smallest letter greater than the target, which is not a premium one, so everybody can solve. You can't read it? Okay, I'll give you that. 1 second. Oh, wrong flex. Okay, so I'll do that. Let's go over this. I'm going to send the solution here. The one I was reading. Where's that? Okay. I'll post it in my Discord, rats, in the flex zone. Okay, I posted this, all the solutions, so hopefully that's easy, good for you. I'm going to move to 744. Find smallest letter greater than the target. Okay, you are given an array of characters, letters that is sorted in non-descending order and a character target. There are at least two different characters in letters. Return the smallest character in letters that is lexicographically greater than target. I have no idea what this means. Probably I've heard this a bunch of times. Okay, so basically dictionary. If such a character does not exist, return the first character in letters. Okay, so if we have this and target is A, because none of the characters are bigger than C, bigger than A, so we return the first one, but there's C. Lexicon, so like what comes after? Okay, no, A. So A is smallest and C comes after A. After C comes F. But let's say if there is X and our like Z is our target and there is nothing, then we return X. Okay. I think this one is easy because we just have to see its ASCII value, right? We just have to get the ASCII value. All will be lowercase, sorted in non-descending order. Non-descending. So I think this is a very simple one. Basically, you are given a character, right? A, B, C, D, E, F. Let's say X or character. And an array. Find what is the next one. So it's almost like, hey, I'm given, let's say, a number. I have to find what is the next biggest number in the array, right? And if there is none in the array, I'll return the first one. Save history of commands. Bro, if you have done something, how you are not in Google or something yet, bro? How you are unemployed? You are either lying about like you are not unemployed or you are like a APT or something. I'm actually like really curious about your career wrench, how it will go, because you are really smart and I'm very curious. But GG's if you have done it. Never applied? That is also hard. Maybe people have eyes on you or you have your eyes on me. Who knows? So let's see. Let's say result is equal to none for the start, right? Yeah, I'm actually like curious, honestly. I have letter in letters. If or everybody's this, right? Why not I start with Z? If result, if letter is greater than target and letter, or I can do actually not Z, AA. Yeah, that would be a bad. If letter, whatever we got, is bigger than target, right? And letter is smaller than result. Result is equal to letter. Posting stuff like what? I have the video. I actually have to post it. I will post it tomorrow morning or tonight. Let me post that tonight. Keep doing. I'll put it in my GitHub too. I need to start putting things in my GitHub. Your wrench. Also, one more thing I will ask you. Nice, me too, almost. Return. Why the second one? It goes to C. C is greater than target? No. Why this one didn't work? What is your runtime? Like, how is good is the runtime, boss? Result is A. Oh, I think this is, I know why. Okay, give me 1 sec, I will see. Letter is X, result ZZ, okay. Target is Z. Oh, I'm dumb. Yep, solved 14%. No, not the best. I think I can do better. How some people are able to do it in 0 milliseconds? Directly use the numbers. What do you mean directly use the numbers? Where numbers where, like ASCII numbers? Okay, let me think then. If I have ASCII numbers, there are these, all these represent some numbers. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4. This represents like 5. ASCII Unicode, like, can you give me example? So I should convert everything to like first ASCII and then do it. I'm thinking of this too. Oh, scene. I have never used scene. I didn't get this part. Oh, you made your own scene. Okay, that's fine then. Okay. So if you are saying if I do this. Let's say if I do the code guy 01. Yo, what's up, bro? What's up? If you are wondering, this is the problem we are doing. The problem of the day at LeetCode. What's the last ASCII value of? No, it didn't solve. Like, I just read the solution. I posted the solution in there too. Oh, I forgot about Lambda. I was thinking to use Lambda. Okay, it gives the ASCII value. Yo, Dogby, what's up, bro? Howdy. Why this is coming as like J? Nice. Yo, this one is free actually, Ashish. You can try this one, boss. Come try with me. This is Python. I solved one, but I want to like get a better one. I had this solution. Like, Range, I will look at your one, but I want to, with the order one, I'll look at yours, but give me one sec. I just want to use Lambda and see if that can help. Make it faster. Okay. So convert everything to binary and then do it? Wait, also one more thing. Also, I'm not binary. Oh, binary search. Oh, yeah. That's actually a good one. Yeah. Because it's in non-descending. So lower. Oh, I can just cut this then in half. I can do this then. That will make it bigger, better. No, I have to find like the best. No, if I'm going from the that, yeah. I can just do this. Don't even have to do this order. Yes, and binary search would make it even faster. That is Taru. Binary search, okay. This is even slower now. Good. Okay, I'll do the bind search. I had one thing because I think Lambda has like multi-threading. So I wanted to do that. If I'm giving numbers to it, okay. Lambda, and then argue is x such that no, I'm not doing that trick. No. Bro, give me 2-3 days. I need to revise everything, even though I won't be able to solve LeetCode. Cause I'm. Yeah, no worries, man. It's just going to help get used to, right? Like, just try it right now, right? Just try it, whatever we are doing. If not, that's fine. It's all about trying, right? Trying harder the very next time. Yeah, bro, I can't do hard ones, man. Yesterday one was, I thought it was medium, but it is really hard. Nah, dude, trust me. If you think you are dumbest, you are not looking at the guy in the screen. Okay, let me just think about this. Just return. Same, man. Sheesh, man. Sheesh. Let's see if AI can do this. I think just Lambda. I wanted to use Lambda. Really? Oh, wow. Dude, LeetCode? Oh, dude, I'm a web developer too. Bro, nice. Welcome. I'm that too, but I'm also like, my full-time job is basically that. My full-time job is actually Kalia. You mean Kali? Okay. What the heck? What was it before? Third one, null. Yeah, I know. Like, I can change this. I can make it even better like this. If result null, I think it was none, right? All the time. I hacked my neighbor. Oh. Null. No, I'm actually React based, boss. My like most experience has been React. Right now, I'm doing because I work for a consulting company. Right now, I'm working with BBX and BBJ. So mine has been. I was I think 2021 I was in Django and stuff, but 2022 it was Angular and AEM, which is $100,000 software. No, BBX. That's a legacy program. That's a very legacy, like a 1970 old. It's used for ERP systems. ERP systems are the one used for business processes. Yeah. So I'm actually into that right now. I not into that. I've been put into that. Hey, dude, fuck it. It is F. I'm the idiot. Same. Okay. If I run it one more time, might work. Oh, print. I hate this. I hate this. Oh yes, my next had none. Not my filter on lambda. My next had none. My bad. I'm the idiot. Okay. Wait, goes in one. I want to see your one code now. I'm actually curious in your code. Okay, what you did here? Oh yes, that's a good one. Yes, yes. Then I can just do it here like this. Yes, thank you, man. Yes, bullshit, same thing. Okay, let's see your one. Oh, never mind. Where's my money, man? Where is my money? Scene, okay. Ha! Mine beats yours. Okay, scene. Okay, so you made an array of all these. Okay. For C, whatever in letters. Okay, whatever character is in letter is true. Start this. Whatever is the order. Minus 97 plus 1. Okay. I understand this one. This is same, so I think that I accidentally did this. Okay, so it makes sense. Your one code is great too. What just happened? I probably copy pasted it wrong. Oh, you actually did that twice, no? Or am I wrong? Oh, you are doing from start to 26 and 0 to start. Okay. Okay. Nice. So you have like created an array with everything false. You are keeping an eye and like whatever you see, you put it as true. Yeah, I didn't see that. Sorry. You put them as true and you start with like this is the start order. Go from start to 26. If seen, right? As soon as you see it from start, you go. Sure, boss. Hey, master is here. Nice, man. So your one. Well, Wrench, I like your code, but I like mine more. Because I like the fact I was able to do it in one line. And thanks to you, of course. So next generation letter. Ooh, I like seeing Java. I think it's Java, right? It's Java, yeah. Start is this, end is this. Oh, you are doing binary search. Yes. I think binary search will give the best one. Binary search will give the best one because in our case we are doing ON in every case, almost like in every case. But your one is like O log N. So binary search is actually a better one. Especially given the fact they mentioned it is in non-descending order. So binary search should be the first thought we have. They are asking for $10,000. They are asking you to work. Are you sure you applied for a job, not gym? Like they're like, hey, you work hard and we get paid. Bro, that's not scam. That's actually like way worse than a scam. Like in scam, no, it's rupees, but like in a scam, they take money from you. They're not only taking money, they're saying, hey, trust us, bro. We are going to get you professional experience. Bro, my case is better than. If you want a professional experience, I'm giving you the certificate. You just have to show me the work. This is much better I'm doing. This is so bullshit. I don't understand, like, I'm about to say some really bad things, but like I don't want to because like Henchun. Sorry, Ben Stokes mentioned hashtag Ben Stokes. Hashtag Ben Stokes. Sure. Let's do one more problem. Yeah, like even if it was at Google, they're like, oh, pay me and like do that. I'm not doing that too. I'm with Wrench in this case easily. Heck no. I have like really bad words in my mouth right now. I just don't want to say it. If I say it, it would be like almost getting banned from all over the world. Do you want to do path sum? Yeah, that's good. That's good. Forget about it. Forget about it. It's a scam, man. Yeah, no need. You did that one in exorcism. Okay, nice. The validate one, nice, bro. Let's do path sum. How about path sum? This looks like a nice one. Have I submitted this? No. Okay. Okay, you want me to explain? I would love to explain, man. I don't mind explaining. That's why I'm here. Okay, give me 1 sec. Let me put some water in my mouth. No, Wrench, stay. Stay. You don't have to code. You can roast, okay? You can roast me. Let's see the companies. Oh my, this has been asked a lot of places. Google, Apple, Bloomberg, Microsoft, Amazon, Meta, Goldman Sachs, Datadog. Huh. Okay, we can do this one. No, I'm not doing that. Sure, I can explain, man. Dude, keep applying, boss. It's a numbers game, man. Especially with this, like where people from Google, Microsoft have been laid off recently, Salesforce. It's a tough competition. It's a tough time, but just keep applying. Trust me. I will say just apply for like 10, but make sure you are like, changing your resume a bit and stuff. Oh, also, Wrench, I'm going to tell you this one thing. Give me your GitHub. Give me your GitHub. Oh no, I will explain to you in English, boss. Don't worry. अरे दे तो. Give me your GitHub. Also, so till then, Wrench is giving us his GitHub. So let's see. 112 path sum. Given the root of a binary tree and an integer target sum, return true if the tree has root to leaf path such that adding up all the values along with the path equals to this. Okay, sounds good. I love this. And oh, you don't have that. I thought it was you. Who am I following? This was you. Was it Shriram? Oh yeah, I'm about to steal this. Yeah, the snake. I'm about to steal this. I might even steal this too from you. I'm about to make that GitHub profile, right? I'm going to show everyone, so I'm probably going to steal this from you. Just wanted to let you know. I'm going to steal a lot from a lot of people. Ooh, I like this too. But yeah, just FYI, I'm going to steal a lot from a lot of people. Just wanted to let you know. Thank you. Okay, love you too, bro. Love you too. All the best. Okay, so let's see this. Path sum, given the root of a binary tree. Yes, it's us, our code. Communist. I like that. Have you seen the suddenly communist one? This is one of my favorite pages on internet, I will say. Have you seen this? Windows Soviet edition. This is us right now. Suddenly Communist is legit one of my favorite pages on YouTube, man. Okay, so just funny thing. Okay, given that, right, let's talk about this problem. Path sum, focus time, lock in. Oh, do it. Full support, bro. So given the root of a binary tree and the sum, we have to find, and it's also, remember, it's a binary tree. We have to find if it's possible to reach sum, that, right? So we have a binary tree left and right. We need to find, it's not sorted. It's not like lowest to biggest. Okay, that's interesting. We have to find a way to go here. Okay, copy image. So if we have 5, if we start with 5. Oh yeah, assembly, bro. If you want to learn assembly or look at what assembly can do, Christopher Domas, DEF CON. I showed his GitHub too on when I was showing everyone's GitHub I'm following. That guy is legit. Like I have no idea that level was achievable when I saw his videos. Even his videos, just seeing his videos, like boggled my mind. Just look at this guy, man. Like this guy is actually like legit at a level where it's like Super Saiyan mode of developers or coders. That guy has reached like ultra instinct. If not ultra instinct, he's like at Saiyan God level. Dude, like that guy legit has like, yeah, I don't know what to say to that, but like if he's hacking me, like I can go against APTs, but I don't know how big APTs are, but if this guy is going against me, it's better to just say sorry, I lost. That's how good that level is, man. His video I first time saw when I was, I think, in my third year. I saw it like 45 times just to understand that 1 hour video. It's one of those, like, if you are in physics, you might have seen, right? The theory of relativity explaining, and there's a comment of a guy is like, I was watching this video, my mom came in, so I switched to porn because that's easier to explain. That's the same thing. And his aura is so much. He made some presentations about Intel chips in 1 or 2, 3 DEF CONs, and Intel hired him so that he stopped making those videos. He was hired as a senior, and there is no presentations after that. Like the guys actually, and those are comments on that video. It's like the guy was so good. Since Intel hired him, he stopped giving presentations. Dude, like, yeah, like legit, they bought him so he don't make videos. All the research are like, Intel is like, keep it inside us. Imagine. That's his level of aura. Like, he found instructions in the x86 architecture that were not even present in the documentation. Dude, he's getting, yeah. Bro, the guy is actually legit. Like, I don't know how he even don't have glasses. Like, the most jealous thing about him is like the guy doesn't have glasses. Look at me, 4 eyes. And he reached that level. It's crazy, man. Like, it's so much respectful. Like, if he says, hey, you have to work free for me, but I will teach you stuff, I will like empty my emergency fund savings. Double battery, bro, double battery. Yeah. Bro, I don't know. You can become better than me. But like, what about Thomas, man? Christopher Thomas. That guy is legit. Like, he is one of those people, you're like, if you're watching cricket or any sport, like for example, basketball or football, you see, you are playing around, then you see like, you are like, okay, what is the maximum level? What is the level of greatness I can achieve? If Ronaldo and Messi are in football, there are like so many players in like cricket, like Sachin Tendulkar. In basketball, there's James, LeBron James, Michael Jordan stuff. Hacking is Christopher Thomas is one of those people, man. Like the goat hill. Fucking hell. Sorry. Like that's the level. And if you want to watch the video, I posted it, but see, I remember the name of the video.
All right.
That's not the full video. That's not the full video. That's from Black Hat. Where's the DEFCON one? DEFCON. Where's the DEFCON one? Nice, bro. They're not showing the DEFCON one, idiots. Here.
All right.
Was it in Black Hat? I thought it was in... No, it was...
Welcome, everyone. I'm here to...
I know it was in DEFCON. Here it is, DEFCON conference.
That's what's going to happen.
God mode unlock hardware backdoors in React. Okay, this is the one, yeah. Like I'm... This. Bro, 2018, like, dude is a legend. Every year his talks become more dystophobia. Like I'll say Intel. This guy was hired by Intel last year. Hasn't made a lot of noise since. Everyone has their price, I guess. Imagine, man, imagine. Imagine, these are the things. And 7 years, no new content since being snatched by Intel. He may be doing cool things, but we'll never know now. Imagine, the guy is like so much level. People are like, even after 7 years, I'm not just the only guy. Dude, the guy is like, so like, that's his level. It's crazy, man. That's his level. Like, I don't know what to say in this case, right? Like, what can you say? Like, that's how the level is. Like, even after 7 years, people are like commenting like, yo, why there is no more noise? Onto such a niche topic, such something that you need to Google 20 times. Every 5 minutes, you will be Googling 20 different things. to understand what's going on. Yeah. Pure dedication, indeed. If I my full time, like if I become a full time YouTuber ever, right? I hope I do in next 2-3 years. I've given myself 4 years, 1 year done, 3 more years left. But if I become a full timer, it's like pays off. A good amount of time will be in just dedicating research so I can present at DEF CON, man. That's legit my dream of like full time YouTuber doing some great stuff, hacking and blah blah blah, just like John Hammond, but also on the side just doing research, pure research. Hire people, like just meet people, hire them, like just work our asses off. That'll be like dream, right? That'll be every hacker's dream. Crazy stuff. I would love to hire you, man. I might even move back to India so I can hire more people. Yeah, pretty much. Okay, going back, right? We were talking about this part some. Sorry. I got distracted, but it's goated, man. It's goated. So, part sum, we have to find if a solution is possible. We go from here, we go left and right. Like one way is we go left, right? We take left, not working, come back, do it. It works great. Yeah, I think it's the code guy, 01. He's like the 826. Yo, you subscribed today, right? The code guy? Yeah. Because I saw it was his first message. Yo. That was his first message. I like it. Oh yeah, I think like, it's 829. Nice. I think I will hit like 2K this year, probably. I did like how many I did in this year? Let's see after this. Let's do this one first. Okay, so code guy, you were asking how to do it, right? I'm going to give you the idea of how, if I'm doing it, how I will do it. I'm going to use, let's say, a simple stack. I'm going to use a simple, like this is the easy solution, right? Thank you, man. Thank you. So I'm going to use a very simple solution, nothing much crazy. So, okay, binary tree, why? What is a binary tree? So binary tree, right? You know a tree. A tree has a root node, right? The top one. And it's called a node. Every circle is a node, right? What is a node? It carries data, its value, and its child, right? You understand that a node carries two things, value and its child. And the top one is called root node, okay? So the value inside it, let's say, is A. A binary tree versus a normal tree, like a non-binary tree. A binary tree is, as the word suggests, by, two. Node. Every circle is a node. This thing you see, this circle, the circle is called a node. The whole structure we are going to draw. So this thing, you see this circle, the black one, that's called a node. This whole thing is called a tree. This whole thing is called a tree. A bunch of nodes together is called a tree. But one node, right? Just that's just one node which carries two data, and a tree is made up of nodes. The top one is called root node. Top is called root node. These bottom ones, the one who don't have a child, so that is this one, this 13 also doesn't have a child, and 1 doesn't have a child. So there are 4 leaf nodes. No, dude, you are not dumb. You don't know. You can go outside, right, your house, or ask anyone inside your house, or ask somebody outside. They don't know the tree. I don't know a bunch of things in the world. I don't know about like biology. Doesn't make me dumb. It's just I don't know about it. And I'm not interested sometimes, right? You are not dumb. You just don't know about it. And now the beautiful part is you are smart because you are actually not afraid of asking it. Right? That's important. And also Wrench makes fun of everyone. So don't worry. He harasses me on daily basis. So that's what you need to know, right? And so you got understanding of tree. What is a node? A node can have childrens, right? What is a children? Children is basically this. So 5 has 2 children, 4 and 8, and they both are nodes again, right? So node has value and children. Now a binary tree, as the name suggests, binary means 2, right? So binary tree means a tree, every node in that tree will have only 2 children, left and right. Yes, no, not minimum, exact, maximum 2, not minimum 2, maximum 2. Because if you think, right, this 4 has only one child, this 4 has only one child, this 4 has only one child, 13, 2, 7 and 1 have 0 child. Maximum they can have is 2, minimum can have 0, right? In a normal tree, there can be like 10 children, 20 children, right? But in a binary tree, maximum 2. In a normal tree, maximum unlimited. Minimum 0, maximum unlimited. In binary, minimum 0, maximum 2. Okay? So, that's the thing, that's the stuff. Hopefully you got the idea, right? Now, what we are given is, we are given a binary tree. Nice, bro. I'm happy. So, if we are given a binary tree, right? A tree in which every node can have maximum 2 children. Now, right? And how inside a node looks is that there is, node will have 3 things. In this case, right? Node will have value and children. But children, how the children is defined? Left child and right child. We can make an array or anything, right? But we don't want to do that. We just want to do it this way, left and right. So it's easy for naming. When we are accessing a node, and we can say right child, LC, or we can say we can say left child, or we can say right child, right? Easier. Yeah. Trees are useful in some ways, I will say, in security especially. But yeah, I understand what you are saying. Okay, so a node will have value, left child and right child. What one way is, think about it in English, right? English you can convert to code. That's how we do with AI. AI can do it, we can do it. We created AI. So what I can say is, let me see target sum, right? Let's say I have target sum as value. What is value right now? 22, right? So I'm at level 0, where I'm at the root 22, right? Let's start with 5, and I took 5, I did 5. Now I will go to the next one, left one. I'll start with left first. This is problem path sum, boss. Let me give you the number to 112, boss. 112. I'll pin it too, so it's easy for everyone to see. Okay, so we go to the left child, right? And we subtract from current node and we go to its left child first. So 22 minus 5, how much is that? 17. And we reached 4, right? Now 4 will go to the left first. We always go to the left first. Just a easy way to do it. So 17 minus 4, 13, and we are at 11. Okay, we completed this one. We are at 11. 11 we reach and go to the left one again, 7, right? So 13 minus 11, 2, and we 7. Now, important thing to note is there is no child here, right? We can't go anymore. So 2 minus 7, is that 0? No, right? It's minus 5. We reach negative, right? If you reach negative, go back. So we've got our first rule, one of our base conditions for recursion. If current sum less than 0, return back. No solution, return as false, right? Okay, I returned back. Where did I return? I came back from 7. Where did I return? 7 is not the answer. I went to 11. I returned to 11. So let's remove this. This is stack, right? Here. I'm at 11 here. Right? Have I took all its child? No. I have still the right child left. Target sum. So they are asking like, okay, sum of this. We already know the sum they are looking for. We know 22 is the sum. I'm going to go negative, right? Because if it's the sum, right? If it reaches 0, you will see what I mean. I reached 11 again. I'm at 11 again. Now I'll go to the right child. How much is left? 2. What is current value? 2. Right? So now if we subtract, we reach 0, right? So that is our solution. If we reach 0, if whatever is the target given to us, target sum, and we subtract all, right? We reach 0, then that is true. Return true. Do you understand this much? Why we are subtracting? Because we are trying to reach to level 0. Target sum, keep on subtracting every node. We subtracted this node, we subtracted, and here we reach here, and answer is 0. So that's our solution. Because if you add them, it becomes 22. But if you take 22 and subtract all these become 0. That's the game, right? Now, more coding you do, you will start realizing, okay, how we play this game, right? You start realizing, okay, you know what? If I don't have to add them, I can just subtract it, right? So we got another base condition. If sum equals 0, earlier returned false, now will return true. Right? If that was not the case, if let's say the value here was something else. Okay, I did the wrong one. Okay, I'll just remove these couple of things for a second. Going back, right? Now, let's say instead of 2, this was like, let's say 3, right? It will become -1 here, right? So we went to 5, we went to 4, we went to 11, we went to 7, didn't happen, we came back, then we went to 3, right? That didn't happen, right? This is just, I'm explaining you more. If we are returning back, we remove, every time we go down a level, we add a stack. Every time we go down a level, right, we add stack, but every time we go up, right now we went down, right? We added from 11, we added 3, right? But if we are going up, opposite will happen. We will remove, right? We remove the 3. Now we are going 11 don't have any child left. We'll go up 4, right? So if we went up, remove this. Now 4 doesn't have child left. So where we go? Up. Remove this. Does 5 have childs left? Yes. We are going down from 5 to 8. We are going down a level. So we'll add 8. Let's check if 8 does that, right? 22 minus 8, 14, right? Now we went down left first. 14 minus 13. This should be 22, whatever. You guys understand, right? 14 minus 13. 1. Does it have a child anymore? Is the solution 0? No. Return. If it is not 0, now going back to our cases we are making, if the sum is less than, if the sum is greater than 0, then also return false. So as long as now this condition becomes if sum is either greater than 0 or less than 0. So basically this is means if sum is not equal to 0, return false. Right? Now we went up a level. Base 13 has no kids. What we do? We remove. Now going down. 22 minus 4 is 14. Here this is 14. Let's say how many is left, right? So 14 minus 4, 10. On load. Now it doesn't have a left child. It only has right. So let's go 1. It is 1. This is 9 left. Does it have any child? No. We go up. Remove this line, this node. This from the stack. We go another up, right? We went up once. We now going another up, right? 4 1 is removed. What we do now? We go again from 8 to 5. We remove the 8 1. Now we remove the 5 because we reached the root. If no solution was here, what we do? If there was no solution, return false. If sum is 0, not 0, return false. If sum is 0, return 1. If we reach root, if reached root again, remember again we started from it, right? Then return false. Okay, you got the idea. At least you are able to understand how to proceed in a diagram. If I give you a diagram, you can proceed now, right? That's the main goal. First goal is, can you understand the diagram? Can you understand, like, if I give you answer, you can. Awesome. Now, if this is the case, right, let me just give you this. Don't look at the answer. Okay, just close your eyes for a second. I'll give you guys this. I give you the target as 4. What can you do? How will the game will be? Just tell me, like, in the sense, let's say if you are going from this node, what will be your answer? Like, for example, if I give you 4, you first go to 1, then go, like in our above case was, we went to 5, right? If this was actually 2, not this. So we went to 5, then we went to 4, then we went to 11, then we went to 7, then we went to 2. So if I'm asking you in this format, right? If I'm asking you in this format, how would you do? What would be like, no, give me the trajectory. From 1 to 2, yes. After 2, it becomes negative, yes. And return back to 1. Yes, yes. You got it. What about 5? What about 5? If the solution, if I'm target sum is 5, how you will do it, boss? Give me the answer, boy. What if the answer is 5? What will be the trajectory? I don't want true or false. I want trajectory. False, because we don't have value. 2, from 2 it becomes negative, and from 3 it becomes negative. A, B, C. Yes. Back to root. Yes, yes. Awesome. Right? So we go from 1, we go to 2, we reach negative, right? 3 and back, right? And now, just to let you know, I don't know if you saw this, right? Think about this way. It's easy. Like, these coding is easy once you understand it. If you are able to, like, draw things, I think the coding is a very easy thing. It's like almost as easy as programming microwave. Now, let me show you something interesting. The beauty of tree. You went from 5 to 4. Let me make it harder. You went from 5 to 4. You went from 4 to 11. 11 to 7. 7 to 1. 1 to, let's say when it was 3. Back, 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 back. From 8. 8 to 13. 13 to 8. This. What did we do? We went around the tree. Isn't that interesting? It's beautiful to think about it that way, right? Right? Coding and these maths, every code is all about maths. It's all about logic. When you see more logic, it's like more and more beautiful. It's like nature. It's beautiful. You just have, like, don't get frustrated. Sometimes it is frustrating, not going to lie. Sometimes it is. But majority of the time it's just beautiful. Just have to have patience to see the beauty, right? And root is this, target is false. How to improve maths? Practice, boss. There is legit nothing you can do with maths. Maths is like English. Maths is like any language. Maths is like any skill. It's just, maths is like almost considered, I think somebody beautifully said, maths is the language of universe. If you want to practice a language, right? If you want to practice English, you will, the best way is to move to an English country, right? Or just practice, speak more, right? Write more in English. Right now we are conversating, having a conversation in English. You are listening to me in English. You are typing in English. Your English is becoming better. Same with maths, man. Just do more maths. You don't have to like go super Einstein. Go step by step. The most important thing is step by step game. Play a step by step game. Eventually you will win. You won't win tomorrow, but you will win. You need to just have patience and eventually do it. Maths honestly is not a hard thing. It's just legit a bunch of teachers are idiots. A bunch of people who teach, like my maths teacher, I scored highest in my high school. I scored 97 out of 100 in maths. My teachers, I won't tell the grade, but when I was a bit young, right, not super young, but like I was in that in a good range, in an adulthood range, my teacher said, my maths teacher told my mom, why you are wasting, or told me actually, and also said a lot of things to my mom, but she said to me, why you are wasting your parents' money? You are not smart enough. You should, right? Just go do some labor job. And I scored highest in next couple of years. I ended up scoring highest in maths. Dude, that's amazing, right? No, Wrench, we are starting the code. But all I'm saying is like just maths is all about practice, boss. I know. Dude, my teacher legit told me to do labor job. Yes, because I wasn't smart enough. Now I make more money than like her entire family. Boom. Mic drop. I don't mic drop. I drop iPhone. I won't drop it right now, but I can drop iPhone. So there is like, if you don't understand maths, physics, if you don't understand coding, I'm not buying her a TV. I actually really wanted to pay a bunch of like prostitutes to like just go dance in front of my school in the morning, before the morning, like, you know, the school starts. That's how much I want to be rich. That's the amount of richness I want. At least able to do that once or twice every year. Increasing the country's GDP, man. Just saying. It's like my school pissed me off a couple of times. Nice. Yes. Wrench. Good one. I'm proud of you. Good one. Good one. I like that. I like that thinking. 100%. We'll plan it. Next time I'm in India, we'll plan it out. Okay? Don't you worry. We'll plan it. I will give you commission on that too. I'll give you commission on it. That's actually a good one. Okay. Now, enough of chat, right? Like we saw the code. We had some good chat. Now let's lock in. We have the tree node self.val, self.left and right. Right? We have the tree nodes. Now, doing it in English way, right? What we have to do, we have target sum, current value, we have current value, right? So current sum is equal to target sum minus current value of the node. Now current sum goes to the left node, then it goes to the right node. If left node returns true, we don't care. If right, then we don't look at the right one, right? Because answer is there. But if left one returns false, then we go to the right. If left and right both returns false, then we return false. Okay? That's basically the code. So let's code it quickly because it's almost 12. I really need to sleep. So I'm going to create another define get has path sum. I want a better name. Is a path sum. I'll say path sum. No, not checksum. That's a very different value. Was self. I'm going to say node. That's all. I'm not doing that. Target sum, or actually current sum, or sum actually. I'll go with sum. So what we are doing in sum, target, we have the target. So current node sum, current sum is equal to sum minus node dot val. Oh, also one thing, the number of nodes in T is this. Does this have to be? What is a quick question? Does if it is not a node here, okay, let's see. If current sum is equal 0, return true. Else if current sum less than 0, return false. Now if it is greater than 0, but if it has children, right? Else if current sum greater than 0 and node dot left not equal to, these should be none. If both are not none, Kunal Kushwaha. Okay, I don't know about Kunal Kushwaha. Send a, I'll look for him. Also, boss, there is a Discord. TJ Josh, not yet. I'm almost there. I was just explaining. Sorry, I just saw your message. This is the Discord if you want to join. TV. Okay. Yeah, there are bad people. And there are some experts in coding, really smart people like Wrench. So if current is greater than 0 and one of them is not none. No, actually I should do this way. Node dot left none. Then I'll go self dot path sum node dot left and then current sum. Dislike. Nah, man, he hates when people call him smart, but he's a really smart guy. Very smart. He's the one APT fears. He's the one North Korea fears. Just that's how this what's this called? This software give it colors. Oh, I can do it this way. Left, right. So even if one of them is true, it will return true. If not, it will return false. If current sum is leaf node, I think I have to also keep an account. I think there is one thing here. They're asking root to leaf. Leaf node is the one with no child. So we have to say if. Yeah. So we have to say if the current and the current node it is the leaf node, this means it's the leaf node and the current value is 0. Both should be met, then only return true. If not, return false. Left is equal to right is equal to false. Courtesy of Wrench, he taught me to do this way. Now I'm just going to do it here. I'm just going to call this function once. Return self dot path sum root and then we'll do target sum. Let's see. What is none? None, and also should have done this. None type. What? If okay, passed every case. Let's see if it passes this. Oh, they are doing the naughty naughty. I think then, if the target sum can be negative, then this is the case. Beats 40%. Makes sense. Yeah, beats 100%. Nice. Our solution is ON, which is the best we can get because we have no idea if there is the value is present there or not, or it's not binary, right? Yeah. Beauty. Yes, sir. What's your question? Please tell me. If you give me a database to store password, how will I do it? Simple. No, not just hash it. Not just hash it. There are ways. One thing to understand, one of the best things to do, Wrench, this has been come with understanding, not just by looking, but also understanding and doing it personally. First should be drawing the architecture. No, listen to this. I'm no expert in like designing, system design. This is where system design is a big thing. Architecture, system design. What do I mean by that? Segregation. Segregation. What is segregation? Or like segmentation rather. Segmentation, division, divide and conquer. Make sure if you are storing in a database password and everything, make sure it is segmented. It is a bit separate, like in a different table. Because if I'm given a server, I can have multiple databases inside it. I will have a different database for it. One thing, one simple thing, right? Because if one database is hacked, second is not hacked, right? That's one thing I will say. But let's say if we are doing everything in the same database, what I will do, I will have username salt and the hash. That's a very simple thing I will have. Yeah, it's called salt, boss. It's called salt. Not secret key. Salt. Yeah. And never encrypt or decrypt. Do not use key. Do not. In database, do not use encryption or decryption. Do not ever. Do not use this. I cannot put more cross. Always have the simplest way, right? There are more harder ways, but what I have is user password hash. Now, another thing I learned over time. Let's say if this white thing is the database, right? You understand that if I'm storing in the table, you gave me a database, remember, you gave me a database server, right? You gave me a database server. I created a database inside it, and in the table I have username, salt, and hash. Now in this database inside, this is not the database server, this is the database. I am going to encrypt this database itself. Remember, I'm hashing the passwords. I cannot retrieve the passwords again, but I'm hashing. I'm going to hash. I'm going to even encrypt the password database, and this is actually done in AWS and all the other one. Best way is read from here, right? They give you all the examples of how managing master user passwords with secrets manager isn't supported on the following features. But basically what they are saying is this. And also remember, when you encrypt, if I'm encrypting, I'm not using a password here. I'm not going to use a password to encrypt, boss. I'm going to use something, a managed service like Amazon managed keys, right? Or keys manager, I think it's called KM. Majority of them I also ask the same question, but I think it's Amazon secrets manager. Amazon. Here, Amazon Secrets Manager, the one which will store all your secrets, like the password and actual hard PEM files, which are very hard to crack. You can't just brute force that shit. Integrates directly with Amazon RDS, relational database. That includes Microsoft SQL, PostgreSQL, MariaDB, bunch of those. Amazon Aurora, another I think Cosmos, it's like Cosmos one. And Redshift to automatically create, manage, and rotate database master password. Remember the word rotate the database master password. Use this knowledge. Use this. There is key management service. Customer manage you can have something else. This will create a rotating password, the master password. Just type this, get more idea about this. Yeah, you can make it. So basically rotate. You don't have to like create a code this thing. You can tell him, hey, I'll be using something. If I'm given resources, I'm going to actually use Amazon. I can create my own, but it's always better to use Amazon one because I don't have to manage it more. It's easy to granularly manage those things. Second, I will be able to rotate those keys, master key. So going back again, 0 to 100, right? Bro, if I'm going to show you how to make it, I don't know how you will hack it though. I don't know how you will hack the master password. That will be hard. That would be very hard. You have to really look because I don't think this is easy to hack. Okay, I'll give you some idea how to hack it, but then again. So here is the idea. You are given the database table. You created the table user salt hash. Okay, that's inside, and that's a different database than the other databases. I'm just for segregation. I like that. That's a really good thing. I have different database for passwords, those crucial information versus the simple data related stuff, whatever. So I have different databases. Now this database I'm going to encrypt using Amazon Key Management Service. Not AKM, but AKMS, to have a rotating key. Because it will rotate, right? You can create a rotating key. You can probably come up with the answer because it's not that hard to do, right? I'm giving you the best solution and you can probably create on your own. It's not hard. It's a bunch of scripts running. Right? Not hard. You just have to find what codes are. So I'm giving you that, see this one. Encrypt. These KMS are like the PEM keys, or the one you create, and then rotating keys. Now, how to hack this? How I will hack this? I have Amazon AWS. right? It's going to be hard, man. That's why I'm saying why I have a secure job, because I understand things to a whole level. Affect latency? Yes, it will. 100% it will. But here's I will give you this. How fast the world is, how fast the database is. You can actually, in cloud at least, you can select input output. You can select how good the database server will be in terms of like virtual CPUs you can dedicate. So all you have to do is dedicate more CPUs and all. Now, actually, the question is not about latency, Jagpal. The question is about trade-off. What trade are you ready to make? No. You, like your case, if you're coding on your home, yes. I'm talking about a global, like company like PayPal, company like Amazon, how they do it, right? They have rotating keys using key management service. They encrypt the database and everything. Now, question what Jug is asking, hey, I'm encrypting the database. I'm decrypting it every time I want to access. Isn't that going to increase if it has millions of entries? 100% will. So what I will do, here's the trade-off, right? Blue pill or red pill time, right? Red pill, risk. What is it okay if the database of your users is if you lose this database, if somebody is able to hack this database and release your password, your users' passwords, can you handle that? Is that okay, right? If they're able to release these passwords, right? Or the other trade-off is, but this will be fast. Remember, this will be fast. There is risk of release, but this will be fast. Or the blue pill, baby. See, I'm doing blue because, you know why blue? Because SOC is blue, defending. Not ease of access. Yeah, like maybe laziness. I think the word would be laziness. This will be slow, but secure. Reputation. In market. You select blue pill or red pill, boy. Cannot we make a system that will monitor unauthorized logins, block them, and encrypt in case of emergency? That's the whole point. So, now I will give you this. Remember I was saying how to hack it? How to hack it? If something is rotating and everything, how to hack it? I'm going to hack. If wrench is one of those. Good one, okay. But let's say here's the thing. Wrench has access to this database, right? He's the DevOps guy. I'm going to not attack Amazon, AWS. I'm not attacking that. That's way secure. I'm going to attack Wrench. That's why phishing emails is actually the top way of hacking or getting into people's system. Because if I have his access, if I'm able to reach his access, your unauthorized one cannot look at like unauthorized logins into the database. It should look at the unauthorized logins at Wrench, right? Those are also case, and that's why I said security happens at every level. Yeah, just like Wrench, not everybody. But the thing is, how will you find the way what is legit or not? Yeah, how will I find a way, right? This. Yeah, remote login. Okay, you did remote login. You think in a big company, people don't have security logins like this? Point one. Point two, let's say Wrench don't have access to it. Let's say Wrench don't have access to the database server. He only has access to the accounts, IAM, but not to the databases. Now I can do is two-factor. Yes, those are the things. That's why there is so many security in place. People are still able to hack it, right? There was issues with the two-factor authentication itself. Right? So if Wrench don't have access, he will look at and he'll say, oh, the person who attacked Wrench and got his access, they will look, oh, CH has it. I'm going to send an email because I have Wrench email, right? I will attack CH using Wrench email. Hopefully he clicks the phishing email, then boom, I have it. That's the lateral movement. Those are actually things happen. I have a website. I know how many times I get like those comments which like links and everything. People can like, just get one chance to get into my system. Yeah, if you got cookies, there's just so many ways, right? That's the whole attack surface. So, Jug Pearl, right? I hope you got the answer what I wanted to, right? With the blue pill and red pill. It's always a trade off. Insecurity is always a trade off. Tell people don't lose money. OTP will come on phone. Microsoft. Okay, code guy. Yes, OTP will come to yours. Now let me tell you something called SIM swap. Enjoy. Yeah, segmentation is very important. I think one of the, what's that, Marriott? What is that sand? I don't know. There is a very big, I think Paris of Las Vegas hotel. So whichever company is Cassandra Entertainment, right? They were tagged because their CEO said something about I think one of the Middle Eastern one, right? The only reason, they have 3 big branches, one in I think China, one in here, and one in I think in Europe or somewhere. The only reason, only the Las Vegas one was attacked, they were not able to do damage to other 2 ones because things were segmented and somebody took off all the Ethernet cables. Yeah, and also SIM swap is actually a big thing. I think code guy, look at I think how these people with like cryptocurrency, how they happen. SIM swap is a very big problem. Trust me. You should authenticate with something you have, something you are, and something you know. Yes. Have you ever seen a baby crow in your... huh? Baby crow? Oh, I have not. Yeah. Technically, yeah. If you want to be safe, throw your computer in river. So you have taken over. People don't even need to. Dude, that's true. That's true. That's true. But no, even SIM swap is actually like such an interesting thing, man. Like I know I can't take the name of the company because I have worked for them once. And I might get in trouble. I have like some connections in there, right? So I won't say, but they even allowed SIM swapping online. I can't say the name of the company. So like that's how bad it is. I can't say it. Yes, no, I can't say anything, boss. I might get into very big trouble if this ever pops out. So I'm not going to say the name, but there are some cellular providers who have, because I know people in that cellular provider company. And it's a very big company. It's a very fucking big company. Now, then my channel will not grow, bro. I'm not saying that either, bro. I'm not saying that either. But like, hopefully, Wrench, I answered your question mainly, right? You can tell your professor, right? Hey, I created a source secure. I really need like a proper, like, I hacked this. This is how I will hack it. Given I know I'm hacking myself, I can't. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Nah, just experience. No, that won't be the best, man. It's like respect to everyone, right? If somebody's coming. But I understand what you're saying, but no, still. The company name is in English. How will I say it in Hindi? The company name itself is in English. Like, I don't think there is a Hindi version of that. But yeah, Wrench, I don't know, attacking. Flag, rainbow table. You should make a bot so we can see YouTube ads on Twitch as well. Dude, I have Twitch ads actually on. I can turn on Twitch ads, but like YouTube, this is my request to you guys. I guess I can show you everything. Actually, sorry. Can you again explain? I didn't get that one. Oh, I want to see this OpenClaw thing that has been popping out a lot. Yeah, we'll do hacking on the 380. Nice, thank you. Yeah, hacking in India night, my morning. We do that Monday to Friday. But yo, I'll show you guys this, right? What I'm trying to achieve is, you see, if I want to have monetization for membership, super chat, whatever shopping, my game is shopping, right? If you guys can, right, there are a couple of playlists I have created. If you just subscribe to YouTube and just, keep it on at night, use your VPN or anything, right? Just keep it on. I need 3,000 watch hours in last 365 days to have that. And for ads on YouTube, I need like 4,000. Oh, you want that? I think I can look into that, boss. I understand what you're saying now, Jug. I think, yeah, I can do look into that. I think somebody did mention about restream, so I will be looking into that. Yeah, somebody did mention about restream earlier too, so I will look into restream over the weekend. I'll do that. Sure, boss. I promise. I'll look into that. I have a reel coming in. So I just want, like, if you guys can, right? There are a bunch of playlists on my channel. Like for penetration tester 1, which I'm doing. Advent of Cyber, LeetCode, Sunday Learning, stuff like that. Just if you can watch these videos, the one with like a lot of videos, that will help. I created Rainbow Attack. Yes, I created Rainbow Attack. CH is a censored hacker. Like short as CH, right? Yeah. Oh, it's 12:06. Oh, damn. Yeah. Oh, it says mentioned you with this too. Nice. That's cool. CG, the code guy. TCG. Bro, somebody did said that before, Wrench. I think, I don't know if you were there or not. Somebody did said chew to me. That's what they thought. You guys say CH to me. Cha, uki matra, ta, iki matra, ya, aki matra. Somebody did use that swear word. They thought that's what it meant. It'll be interesting. That's actually hilarious that it come out to be this. But yeah, that's hopefully, and also one actually a really good free resource, 2 free resources I will give you. This one is great if you want to learn about. I have looked at its videos on Facebook and stuff, or YouTube too, but I haven't gone through much. So maybe if you want to look at system design, that's what we actually talked about today. That's the whole idea of that is called system design, right? I do hacking during Canada morning, Monday to Friday, right? That's actually, I'll give you the idea. Yeah, like study stream in the sense like this. Penetration tester 1, all the study ones, boss. Or you want like study with me session, those type ones. Also, I'll give you Monday to Friday. It will be 8 a.m. PST. Around that, I start for hacking. PST is Pacific time zone. No, in the sense we all join, we all study our work together. Oh, yes. Yeah, study with me session. I did that once or twice. I think I want to do it more. Yeah, we can do it more on the weekend. Yes. No. Nobody says that. PST, if I see, everybody says Pacific. Oh, I think, yeah, I'd never seen somebody says Pakistan time zone. Nobody cares about that. I don't think that's even is possible. Sure, bros. I can probably do that. I can do that. Okay. Oh, no. PST is Pacific time zone, man. So, and also, you guys can join my Discord. Oh, it's not in the... Join the Discord. There you will get like the best way to reach out and see when I'm streaming next or stuff, right? It's in the live session. Yeah, you learn every day, right? You learn every day. Oh, we got a lot of people. Master is here, yes. Damn, there is a lot of messages going. Yeah. Yep, that's true. That's true. I agree with Code Guy, man. But alright, lads, this is 12:10 for me. So I have to go to bed. I have to do dishes. I have to clean the bartan, the utensils still. And then I have to go to sleep. So thank you so much, lads, for joining. I really appreciate it. Oh, before I go, I think it was this. I don't remember which one was it. Yeah, system design. I think this is the good one. Thank you so much. Also, join the Discord. It's free. I will keep all my content forever free. Yeah, you never have to pay for it, right? I don't like that. To pay or build a community that has to pay. Also, lads, if you can, right, a small request. Just keep this in the background. Let the video play, so it will help me reach the goals, right? That's what they care about, ours and stuff. Okay, with that being said, thank you so much, lads. Hope you guys enjoyed. Oh, the code guy is here. Yo. What's up, bro? Yo. Okay, and I will see you guys actually on the weekend. To this time, I'll be coming on the weekend. A big important one. We'll work on GitHub IO. Might do 2 sessions. GitHub IO and GitHub profile, so that people like, just like if you see wrench one, really beautiful. I think it's this one. No. GitHub.com. Here. Like I want to show people like really good stuff, right? What happened? Yeah, so basically like create these things. Also, there is a lot of GitHub IO profiles or blogs. GitHub IO top. We'll be working. Okay, sounds good, boss. Sounds good. But there's a lot of GitHub pages we'll be working on over the weekend. I'm going to come up like which things I like, right? And we are going to make those ones. And if you like something else, you guys can do that. We'll work towards it. GitHub pages, actually, I should say. Let me, not projects, personal websites. Is this the one? Yeah, like this one. Create like some really beautiful profile which you can show in your resume, right? That would be our first one. Like something like this, really cool, interesting, right? Things you have done. A really simple GitHub IO page on your GitHub. I want people to have this so that you guys can put that, hey, I have done something which is online. People can see in your resume, right? Because in mine one, giving you example here. This is my resume, right? I have links here. I have a couple of links in my stuff, which so that it looks cool. In my opinion, it just looks cool. People can get that attention. Yeah, Wrench, you have this, right? So have that thing, and then we'll work on the resume. Then we apply for the job. So might take 2 sessions, but that's what the plan is as of now. Sounds good. Okay, so that's the plan for the weekend. A big plan. We'll do it in 2 segments probably, but hopefully you guys enjoy this game, and we'll work towards so that we all can get a job, good position. We all can, be supportive and help each other, right? But yeah, that was it, lads. Yes, I will let you know in Discord, boss. That's the best place to look for. I can let you know because I have a couple of meetings over the weekend. I have to get some work done. So based on that, I can let you know, right? It will be in Discord. Yeah, but that's all, lads. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining. Amazing day. Probably one of the best like I have seen in terms of views and stuff. He is lazy. Yeah, that's all, lads. Thank you so much. This was your take what he says with the salt and encrypt it or hash it. That's all, lads. Thank you so much. Hope you guys have a great weekend. This was your favorite neighborhood hacker, censored hacker, signing off with a big bye. Thank you so much, lads. Have a good one. Good night. Thank you so much for the follow, boss. Thank you so much for the follow. Thank you. Peace out.